Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about some of the black owned beauty brands or brands that cater to women of color. For the past few weeks I've been trying out new products from them, or either doing tutorials with them or something like that. But this time I just want to talk about different brands, talk about the ones that I've been loving, talk about the ones that I want to desperately try out, or just talk about black owned brands or brands that cater to women of color. But before we jump into the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Go ahead and turn on that notification. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. So yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see the brands that I'm going to be talking about, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Thanks guys. Now the first one that I want to talk about is actually not a black owned brand, or it's not like one that's, you know, mainly caters to women of color. It kind of caters to everybody. It's from ColourPop, but I wanted to talk about this particular collab because they're black. So the first one that I want to talk about is Makeup Shayla times ColourPop. You just want to support Shayla, and I just love her. I love Shayla's Instagram. I love her makeup videos on YouTube. So she's just bomb. I know y'all love Shayla too, because everybody loves Shayla, everybody. But I just wanted to talk about this and just mention it, and also Ella Rare as well. I have some products from Ella Rare, but I left it back there. I don't know why, but I inserted a picture of them as well, and I just love Ella Rare as well. So I just highly recommend you guys picking up their collections from ColourPop and support your sisters, because they're amazing, and I just love their channels and their Instagrams. So next up is one that I have been loving, and that is Fenty Beauty. Now everybody knows Fenty Beauty is owned by Rihanna, and she's black, and we just love the queen, Riri, okay? So I just want to mention Fenty Beauty. I've tried their foundations. If you're looking for a good everyday foundation, I would highly recommend you guys trying that out. It is a bit pricey. I think it's about $30 something, but it is definitely worth it. It's definitely something that you can reach for every single day, and it looks good on every single skin tone and every single skin type. So I would highly recommend you guys trying out that foundation. Also the concealer, because the concealer, I literally just talked about the concealer in my favorites just before I filmed this. It'll be linked below if you guys want to see that. But I love the concealer and the setting powder and the primer. The lip glosses are bomb, like the Fenty Glow. I wear that almost every single day. Like honestly, I will wear that with MAC Chestnut lip liner and just leave out the door. Like I love that gloss. So it's just so many products for you guys to try from her line. It's just amazing overall. So I would highly recommend Fenty Beauty if you guys are just looking into wanting to try stuff for every single day. You want to put a little bit of more money into it. You want to kind of transition from drugstore to higher end. I would say start with Fenty because it's amazing. Colored Rain, they have lippies, lip glosses, lipsticks, they have highlighters, they have eyeshadows. They are just an overall amazing brand. The eyeshadows are super pigmented. I had their what is it, Queen something, I can't think of it. I have the picture of it, palette, but I actually gave it away. I liked it, I did like it, but I just gave it away because I wasn't really using it that often. But it's a really good palette. It's super pigmented. The shadows in there are amazing. Highly recommend their lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks. Obviously I recommend their liquid lipsticks. I have a ton of them here. I also recommend their lip glosses. I have a few of those as well, and I just really like them. All of the products that I've ever tried from Colored Rain have just simply been amazing. They're super pigmented. They have so many different colors, so if you want to play with colors, highly recommend Colored Rain. I do believe that Colored Rain is now being sold in Target as well, so Juvia's Place. Now you guys know I could not go without talking about Juvia's Place. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow brands, and I just love this brand in general. They have more than eyeshadows. They have lipsticks, they have highlighters, they have blushes, so they have more than eyeshadows. But I'm just very familiar with their eyeshadow palettes, and I love all of the ones that I've tried. They're super pigmented. They have so many different fun colors for you to play with, and they're just all so beautiful. And yeah, like this one here is my favorite. I use this like almost every day. And then like they just have so many for you to play with and just try out. And if you know, they just all look so good. So I love them. They're all super pigmented. I haven't tried any on here that were blotchy or just not pigmented or anything like that. Like every palette that I've tried from them is simply amazing. So I would highly recommend you guys checking out Juvia's Place. Links to all of these brands will be below, so I would highly recommend you guys checking out. It's a brand that I actually haven't tried yet, but I'm like obsessed with the owner. I know that sounds so crazy. Like I'm not like stalkishly obsessed with her. I just follow her on Instagram, and I think she's pretty dope. Like, and that is Super Scent, the Crayon Case. And if you guys aren't familiar with her, I will link her Instagram below. But she is so funny, and like her little family, like it's just, I love her. But I definitely want to purchase the Crayon box. I think it's the name of her palette. She has so many different products. Like she just came out with some concealers that look like highlighters, and like everything from her brand, it looks like school supplies. Like it's just so cute, like just so cute. Like her brushes look like pencils. Everything is just so cute. But honestly, I'm trying to wait because she said that she's having a Taxmas sale. So we're gonna hit up the Taxmas sale, get a few things, and try them out on the channel really soon. But I did want to talk about her because she is black. She is black owned, and she is doing great with her business. So I would highly recommend you guys checking her out. I cannot wait to pick up some products from her. And the next one is also Beauty Bakerie. I love just the whole theme of Beauty Bakerie. It is so cute. Like she has powders, like setting powders that look like flour, like baking flour. She has like a foundation. Everything, it just looks bakery. Like it's just bakery themed, and it's just so cute. I love the whole concept of it. I actually haven't tried anything from her brand either, but I do want to pick up some stuff from her brand. They actually sell it in Raleigh Rose, so I may just go there, pick up some things instead of ordering offline. I don't know, but she do have some really nice looking products, and I've heard amazing things about it from everybody that has tried it out. But you guys know I always want to try stuff out for myself. But her products just look really good, and I cannot wait to try them out. Alright, so you guys know Black Radiance and Black Opal, so I'm not going to get into those. I love Black Radiance. Haven't really tried that much from Black Opal, but the few products that I have tried from Black Radiance I really like. They are more so catered to women of color. I don't think they're black owned, but I could be wrong. From what I've heard, they're not black owned, but they cater to women of color. So that is it. Those are all of the products that I want to talk about. I'm pretty sure there's more out there, so if you guys feel like I'm missing somebody or missing your favorite brand or something like that, then definitely share it with us in the comment section below. I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss another upload from me. And yes, I think that is about it. I definitely want to go ahead and do the K-Babe shout out of the day, but I'm gonna have to do it voiceover style because I'm filming this before I put up the actual video. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the K-Babe shout out of the day. Alright guys, so the K-Babe shout out of the day goes to Taiwan Brown. She said, "Hey Key, I love your makeup and how you wrapped your pink scarf. Always a K-Babe." Thank you so much for your comment, and thank you so much for always supporting my videos and watching them. But yeah, if you guys want to get a K-Babe shout out of the day, all you have to do is leave a comment below with the hashtag KBabes, and make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on, and you can get a shout out. So I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.